Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto E22i and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the wallpaper section, so let's tap on it. Now you can either enter the gallery and you will be able to set your own photo as a wallpaper, or choose something from the pre-installed options. So as you can see right here, we've got not really a lot of options to choose from. After tapping on a specific option, simply tap on set wallpaper. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.